Hello, and welcome to the 12 verb tenses series. And the first video is number 1, simple present tense with DouglasESL. How many verb tenses are there? Some linguists say there's only 2, past and present. Most people are familiar with 3, past, present, and future tense. In this series, I'm going to teach you 12 different verb tenses. And if you add modals, some people refer to verb tenses as many as 15. But it is a disputable concept. But in this series, we're going to go with the 12 most popular known verb tenses. Okay, so simple present tense, something that happens repeatedly or very often or usually happens. Examples: I work. Number 2, he works. Number 3, Bob works. Number 4, the students go to school. And number 5, Kelly goes to work at 8 a.m. So the simple present tense is used for things that happen repeatedly. We also sometimes have signal words that tell how often. Here's some examples. Number 1, I work sometimes. Number 2, he works every day. Number 3, Bob works always. Number 4, the students usually go to school. And number 5, Kelly never goes to work at 8 a.m. So these are examples of simple present tense sentences with signal words that tell how often something happens. Here's the negative examples for simple present tense with the negative. I don't work, or I do not work. Number 2, he doesn't work. Number 3, Bob doesn't work. Number 4, the students don't go to school. Number 5, Kelly doesn't go to work at 8 a.m. These are examples of the negative. Interrogative examples. These are examples of simple present tense where the sentences are used for questions or in interrogative. Number 1, do I work? Number 2, does he work? Number 3, does Bob work? Number 4, do the students go to school? Number 5, does Kelly go to work at 8 a.m.? These are examples of interrogative question forms with simple present tense. Here are more examples of the simple present tense. Number 1, my son lives in Atlanta. Number 2, she plays badminton. Number 3, he goes to work every day. Number 4, does she go to university? And number 5, they speak English in America. We have 5 more examples. Number 1, the sun sets in the west. Number 2, it rains here all the time. Number 3, we cook every day. And number 4, you have a very nice home. And number 5, do you like pizza? Examples of simple present tense. Okay, it's time for our simple present tense assessment. Choose the correct verb to complete each simple present sentence. There are 5 sentences and there's more than 5 possible answers. So I'll read the sentences, then you can pause, take your time to select your answers. Number 1, we every day. Number 2, they to the library together. Number 3, Bob, houses for a living. Number 4, I, English. Number 5, she to read books. You can pause the video if you want to have a little more time to select your answers. Okay, let's look at the answers. Number 1, we swim every day. Number 2, they go to the library together. Number 3, Bob builds houses for a living. Number 4, I speak English. And lastly, number 5, she loves to read books. So there's your answers to the assessment and many examples of how to use simple present tense. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the near future. Thank you for watching Douglas ESL.